Good morning, children. Good morning, all the teachers.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Saideep and Sahil and Palnika, you may start. Wish you all the best.
Ma'am, we are waiting for teachers yet. Once
Okay,
everyone joins, then we can start.
fine. Good morning, Loveline ma'am.
Good morning. Sonal, I think teachers will not be able to join because in they have their own assembly timings clashes with it, I think.
No, ma'am. The schedule is like every class has consecutive assemblies. So that's why Radhika ma'am said that everyone can join every assembly. Every teacher can join.
Okay, this
Because many teachers have not yet joined, and even the students.
because what happened जैसे मेरा 10th C के साथ clash था अभी. But I left that assembly and came here. I think
Same happened
similarly
with
it will be
NJ
for
I
others
and
also.
came here. Yes, yes.
Ma'am, can you ask them once
I have already
what's
asked.
their status?
Yeah, official group, I have already asked to join immediately.
Okay, ma'am.
Good morning, Sujata ma'am.
Good morning, Sonal ma'am. Sonal ma'am, I think actually the students could begin because the clash comes between the 10th standard and all the other classes in the senior secondary.
Okay, ma'am. Yes,
Yeah.
students, you may start. That is what ma'am was saying.
Ma'am, but what surprise we had planned, actually we had planned for all the teachers together. So if teachers won't be able to join, then I guess only you and Sujata and Lavdeen ma'am will only be able to see the.
Ma'am, can you personally ask the teachers what's their current status? Because on
Listen,
asking on
students, what will happen? 8:40, I think 12th C timing will start. If you will be late, तो clash होने ही वाला है because I think only this 8:20 to 8:40 slot
Yes,
शायद
the
हमारा mention है.
we can
ma'am,
start
so
in 1 minute, Sahil. I'll
okay,
ask
ma'am.
them, but you people
Yes,
can
ma'am.
start in a minute.
Yes, ma'am. We have Krishna, ma'am, with us.
Good morning, Krishna, ma'am.
I left half of 12th. It's still going on.
Ma'am,
That is going to be delayed,
we can
ma'am.
inform
Yeah,
other,
I know.
ma'am, but we can inform other divisions then, so like they can wait.
Abhi they
Yes,
have
ma'am.
Otherwise,
approximately 10
the
minutes.
Can you,
clash will
Sonal
continue.
ma'am, can you inform 12C that there would be some delay?
Hey, that is my class. Hey.
Ma'am,
No,
they are also delayed by 10 minutes due to 10 minutes. So every class will be delayed by 10
ma'am, the chain will
minutes.
continue. That's why I'm saying that we can, if we inform them,
Yes,
then I
ma'am.
think it will be
I
better for all
put
of us.
in a message. I'll just put in a
Ma'am,
message.
Krishna ma'am, and we just have 10 to 15 minutes assembly, not more than 20.
Krishna ma'am, tell them that everyone is running 10 minutes late.
Okay, I'll inform.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
This 12th they should have finished in time. किधर है रितु मैम?
12th is still going on. It's not over.
Honestly, our assembly is like 12B's assembly is more like short but sweet.
Yes,
Because we
ma'am.
had
It's
that
like a very sweet surprise for you all. So that's why we wanted all teachers to attend.
Yes, ma'am.
Sonal ma'am, we have Vibhauri ma'am also with us.
Yes, good morning Vibhavri ma'am and Krishna ma'am.
Good morning,
Vibhavri
ma'am.
ma'am, 12th
I'm
is
at
still
less than
going on.
15 minutes here.
Yeah. Is it over Vibhavri ma'am?
I,
Or still going on?
Acha.
I would request
Still
all the
going on?
teachers to switch on their camera. Yes, dear teachers, please switch on your cameras. Radhika ma'am is yet to join. I have personally given them call.
Should we begin with prayer?
Ma'am,
Till
yes,
that?
yes, you can start quickly. Good morning, Gitanjali ma'am. Good morning, Sonali ma'am. Good morning, Radhika ma'am. Good morning,
Ma'am,
Sonali ma'am.
ma'am, I had a small request. Like, if I think if you switch off your camera, maybe the stream will be better, or isn't, or it's not affected. Like, I don't know
Okay,
much.
okay, fine, fine.
From then later on, you can
Yes, yes.
turn on your camera. Thank you, ma'am.
I think now most of the teachers have joined. We may start.
Ma'am, is my screen visible?
Yes.
Yes, I did. Increase the volume, Saideep.
ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो
Saideep, your volume is very less.
धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्
Good morning, Honorable Principal Ma'am, respected teachers, and my dear friends. Today is a very special day for all of us because on this day, 12th B has organized a special assembly for someone who taught us the best lessons. The lessons that made us follow the right direction. The lessons that have great potential and helped us acquire knowledge. And more importantly, these lessons made us what we are today. Guess who that someone is? A teacher, my friend. So, I wish all my wonderful teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. My name is Sahil Nayak, and it is my absolute pleasure to say that I will be hosting this special assembly today. So, without any further ado, let's begin. I always like to start my morning fresh with a cup of tea and an inspirational quote that gives me a boost for the rest of the day. So now I'd like to call upon Palnika to start off her day with an inspirational quote.
Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah. The thought for the day is those who educate children well are more to be honored than parents, for these give life, those the art of living well. Teachers are the definition of selflessness. Without them, our lives would have no class. Because in reality, teaching kids to count is fine, but teaching them what counts is more important job a teacher does. They have the ability to change lives with just the right mix of chalk and challenges. A truly great teacher is hard to find, difficult to part with, and impossible to forget. So today, to all our dear tired teachers, I would like to say, whenever expectations begin to feel impossible, remember, because of you, today someone smiled, made a connection, became more confident, and felt loved. Thank you.
Thank you, Palnika, for motivating us with an inspirational quote. I came into your class to learn and grow, but what has touched me the most is the love you show. These lines resembles the love and affections my teachers always show to me and to my classmates. Unfortunately, I can't think of more lines. Oh wait, my friend Saidip will help me out here because now he will be reciting a poem written by him for our respected teachers.
Teachers teachers, and my dear friends. I am Saidip Kodasane from class 12B, and today I will be presenting a small poem on account of Teachers' Day. The name of the poem is Teachers Are Not Humans. God created these species who performed sacrifices all their lives, formed the base of humanity. They were the cause of devastating wars, political maneuvers, and fall of kingdoms. But almost every time vaporized sufferings through these acts. They were inevitable because teachers are not humans. Mankind evolved, difference in ideas, difference in opinions. Wars took place again, not for truth, but for passion for conquest. They failed to preach peace and harmony, equity and equality, but they didn't lose hope and spread tranquility through print. They didn't give up because teachers are not human. Generations changed, revolutions and revolts occurred, full of instability and dissent. They ceased to thrive due to nervy minds. It was the time when tigers were taught to hunt. Their sufferings are exotic. The era gifted more scholars. What they do is implausible because teachers are not humans. Pandemic began. Hands are tied with chains of safety and captivity. Education is cherished in times of misery and delight, making them the only source of history present and future. Fees overdue and incomes halt. Mistreatment by parents and students. Diminished dignity, but selfless jobs came before pride. They continue to tolerate because teachers are not humans. I hope you liked my self composed poem. I had worked a lot on it. But along with your praises, I want your blessings also, dear teachers. Happy Teachers' Day.
Wow, that was amazing. Thank you, Saidi, for representing our emotions towards our teachers in a very beautiful way. An assembly always feels empty without a speech, and we definitely can't miss it today. So now I'd like to call upon Jayad, who will be addressing a great speech for our teachers. And trust me, you must listen to this one.
Firstly, I would like to extend my heartiest congratulations and gratitude to every teacher on behalf of all of 12th B for making us what we are today. Even though we have a long and tough road ahead of us, the journey seems a little easier with you on our side. A teacher is the most important thing in a child's life, from his upbringing to his basic ideology. Even today, when I look back, I can see a 4-year-old Jayarth waiting for the teacher at the front gate. I have slept in classes and have had lunch in the second period. And no, I'm not proud of it. But what I am proud of is having such great teachers by my side who have corrected me rather than scolding me. Each and every teacher has an impact on a child that no one can understand. As a teacher, lodges an intent not in the mind but in the heart. I have changed a lot with each passing year, and every year I have questioned myself, why do I study the reactions of such tiny molecules? Is study of electricity even useful? What is the use of integration of sin x, and what is the difference between a tuple and a list, and why do I need synonyms? But when I saw the hard work, faith, and devotion of my teachers, the way they understand things, the way they help me understand these concepts selflessly, I found the answer. The answer is that my teachers are helping me fulfill my destiny, bringing the best out of me, making me understand the difference between what's right and what's wrong, preventing me from committing the mistakes they did. There's a saying that a country's future is decided by its youth, but what I feel is that without a teacher to show them light, a student is no better than a handicapped old man. From the days when getting a red star was the biggest achievement, to not killing us for breaking the tube lights, to annoying the teacher into giving us a PT period, to not scolding us even after seeing through our fake headaches, to the picnic bus rides full of Antakshari and filling the bottle 23 times, for being with us every step of the line. All we want to say is thank you. Thank you for being our teacher. Thank you for supporting us in our toughest times. Thank you for being a second parent to all of us. Thank you for tolerating all our fake technical issues. In short, thank you for making us a better version of ourselves. To each and every teacher we ever had, all of our love and respect. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Jayad, for delivering such a heartwarming speech. I hope that this speech touched the hearts of my teachers. But now, buckle up, everyone, because time for a surprise. And there are two surprises. So let's go ahead with the first one.
कहते थे लोग जो काबिल नहीं है तू, देंगे वही सलामियाँ। दिल थाम के जहाँ देखेगा एक दिन तेरी भी कामयाबियाँ। करके दिखा कमाल वो, आके ज़मीं पे दे के जाए आसमां। शाबाशियाँ, 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 शाबाशियाँ।
I always feel that my teachers have a never ending charm and they are full of energy, which is pretty motivating for all of us. So, time to use your active energy in surprise number 2. Over to Saidi.
Ma'am, for this, I request all the teachers to switch on their cameras.
Thank you so much, children. It was great. Radhika ma'am. Ma'am, you are on mute.
Thanks a lot.
Had a great beginning and it's going great. Got goosebumps all over. Carry on.
Ma'am, we need just 2 minutes to settle because we have to set the live video also. So just give us 2 minutes.
Thank you all for joining 12B Assembly on
Lovely,
time.
children. Lovely, it was excellent. Really. Wonderful. I think our children have the knack of having this emotional appeal in it.
Ma'am, you said it right actually.
Don't make us solve MCQs.
Ma'am, no, you like this. You like
No,
this.
no, ma'am, don't worry. Don't worry, ma'am.
And assertion in reasoning. No.
That's meant only for students.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
hope so.
So, shall I begin now?
Don't want to do anything in which brain will be used.
Absolutely. No brain. No brain. No brain.
Okay, so I'll begin, ma'am.
Yeah.
आदर आदाब अभिनंदन आभार। मैं अमिताभ बच्चन शुरू करने जा रहा हूँ। कौन बनेगा करोड़पति?
So whenever we think of this, सबसे पहले यही दिमाग में आता है कि हाँ क्वेश्चन है तो चलो केबीसी दिमाग में आ गया। अमिताभ बच्चन जी एंट्री मार रहे हैं मस्त। So यहाँ पे केबीसी नहीं है, कौन बनेगा करोड़पति नहीं है। We have just twisted it a little. So let's move on.
Saideep, can I interrupt?
Yes, ma'am.
Don't make us leave the class.
No,
I
ma'am.
don't
No.
know the answers.
No, ma'am. It's very fun. You'll
Ma'am, you
actually
will,
like it.
ma'am, you will answer it very easily.
Yes, ma'am. So we have we have twisted it. Instead of कौन बनेगा करोड़पति, we have So for today, we are your Amitabh Bachchans. So let me start. आदर आदाब अभिनंदन आभार. मैं साइदीप कोटस्थाने शुरू करने जा रहा हूँ कौन बनेगा इंस्पिरेशन. So अभी पहले हम लोग रूल से शुरू करते हैं. So first rule is you will be given 18 questions. To answer, you have to raise your hand virtually. You will be given a time period of 30 seconds to think. After that, first 3-4 teachers whose hands are raised will be allowed to answer. You have to be completely honest while answering. We request you to actively participate. And the last and two most important points, switch on your camera while answering. Like, even if we don't do, we request you to do it. And you won't be marked, of course. So these are the rules. Now I'll move on with the demo question. So are you guys ready?
Yes.
Let us begin with demo question. Now here we have a timer which will be for 30 seconds, and as soon as the timer starts, you will see the question statements on your screen and you have to answer accordingly. Please, we have request in the 30 seconds timer period, we request you not to raise hands. You have been given that time to think about your answer. And then you can raise your hands as soon as the timer goes up. Yeah, when you hear this beep twice, you can raise your hands, start raising your hands. So now, should we begin with the first question? Okay, over to you, Sahil. I'm giving you the control of the screen. Okay.
Good morning, teachers. So let's begin with the first question. Yes, question number 1 is that mention one childhood memory of yours which makes you laugh even today. I'm pretty sure many of you will answer that very easily. Okay, so the first 4 to 5 hands I can see is Ritu ma'am, Krishna ma'am, Sonal ma'am, Sujata ma'am, and Varsha ma'am. So let's begin with Varsha ma'am first. Yes.
A very good morning, and first of all, thanks a lot for this lovely presentation. Right. It's a memory where I was late to school, and I thought rather than going back home and getting all the scoldings, it's better. Yeah, I spent time otherwise. Thankfully, I had a friend with me, and it was a park near to my school that I spent a few hours. And then after being found, you can imagine what happened. Thank you.
That's absolutely hilarious. Thank you. Ma'am. Now over to Sujata ma'am.
The event I remember is when we had our unit test, and I did not, rather, I was not thorough with the timetable, and I prepared for another exam. And only after going to school, I realized it was my maths test, which, of course, I was very bad at. And I just didn't know what to do. Of course, I was all in tears. And when I went and told my teacher, got a good scolding from her, because in those days these were really things that were not expected from students. And then, yeah, the result was a misery.
Nice one, ma'am. Okay, so now who's next? Just a minute. Yes, Ritu ma'am, please.
Hello. Yes, can you hear me?
You're audible.
Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. We can hear you.
Yeah, I remember the day when I was in, I guess, 9th standard, and we were having the exams, and my friend was trying to copy from me, and then the teacher came, and teacher was standing beside her, and she was just copying and writing from her notebook. And then I told her that teacher is looking at you, and then she was so surprised, and when she saw the teacher was sent, and then it was so I just laughed today also, because all these memories are too good.
Ma'am, anytime this happened with you while you were the invigilator for any exam in DAV?
Not like that actually, because at that
Good
time
question, Sadi.
she was copying and the teacher was standing just beside her. It doesn't happen with me right now in DAV. Till now, DAV, it doesn't happen with me.
Saidip,
Ma'am,
can I?
we all have copied once, more than once.
Really? Really?
Ma'am, at least, ma'am, eventually, or due to, like, we had to, ma'am. Honest opinion.
Yeah. Can I interrupt Saidip and Sahil?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am. By all means.
Just a suggestion. You have 18 questions to go. So
Ma'am,
can
they
you
are
just
very short, ma'am. We will cover that quickly.
All right. I just wanted to suggest to you that if you can take the first hand which has gone up for the answer, because we
Okay,
have
ma'am.
all crossed your.
Ma'am, then we'll take 3 names, and the second and third name, like these 2 teachers can write their experiences in the chat box. Will it be okay?
Yeah, because it's over by 8:40, though we
Yes,
started
ma'am.
5 minutes late. Now we have crossed almost 10 minutes. So just keep that in mind, all right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much. Now over to the next candidate. Wait, sorry. I mean, over to the next question. Sorry. What was the most delicious dish you cooked in 2020 lockdown? Okay, so the first hand I saw raised is Smita Tiwari, ma'am. Please, ma'am, enlighten us.
In 2020, now I was really a very good cook, and I think tried all the sweets. Nowadays, I stopped cooking all the sweets, but all the sweets I tried Ghevar, I tried Balushahi, I tried Gulab Jamun, everything I tried.
Okay, so ma'am, you basically expertise in desert. More in
Yes.
desert. Nice one, ma'am. Okay, so next candidate is Sonal Patel, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Sahil, we are
Oh,
taking one
I
teacher.
just got as a presenter. Fine.
Oh, okay. Acha, acha. Okay,
Okay.
then we'll move to the next question.
The other teachers, please, can you just type in the chat box? We'd love to know.
Yes, ma'am. The
You can do
first
that.
hand raiser will be asked to answer due to time constraints. We are really sorry for that.
Which batch of yours, when you were the class teacher, would you label as the most entertaining one? I'm sure there are thousands of batches, hundreds of batches, but there must be one special one. So the first hand I saw raised is Vibhavri ma'am's. So ma'am, you can speak up. And rest two, let me check. Yes, Sonali Bhave ma'am and Maya ma'am. You two can please write in the chat box. Bhavri ma'am, are you there? You have to speak up.
Yes, I'm there. And the most entertaining batch that I saw was last year 11th B. It was
Ma'am, you're
really
kidding,
fun
right?
entering in the class.
Ma'am,
No, I'm not
seriously?
at all.
Thank you so much.
No, I'm not at all kidding. Like last year, it was fun teaching to you all. I used to wait for your class, and really it was taking attendance and everything was fun.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for this honor. This really means a lot.
Thank you. So very good batch. Thank you so much. And I think, Sonal ma'am, you must have got a very, very polished batch.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. As a class teacher, yes, I'm really blessed.
Thank you.
All right, so my time is over. Now over to the next candidate. Thank you so much.
Good morning, all wonderful teachers. I'm Panika here. So we'll go over to the next question. Who was your favorite teacher as a kid? Are you still in contact with them? Okay, so the two hands I see raised are Sonal Singh ma'am and Maya Puranik ma'am. So please go ahead, ma'am.
So my favorite teacher was my physics teacher, and yes, I'm still in contact with them. Fabulous teacher. Over to Maya ma'am.
Yeah, my favorite teacher was my English teacher, is my English teacher, Mrs. Rao. And yes, I'm still in touch with her. She's 90 now.
That's wonderful, ma'am. We really expect to be in contact with you all too. You all are really great teachers. Okay, so the others, okay, we'll move on to the next one. What is the one thing you would tell to your 17-year-old self? Okay, so again I see two hands. Please go ahead, Gitanjali ma'am and Maya ma'am.
Am I audible?
Yeah, ma'am, you are.
I think I would tell myself to just be 17 and not go to 18 and just relive my 17 and not move ahead. and go back to our days of 17, not today's 17. That's it.
Yeah, ma'am, teens is the best age. I agree. Yeah, ma'am. Maya, ma'am, please go ahead.
Yes, dear, I think I will repeat what Gitanjali ma'am has said. Our 17, when we were 17, were simply awesome days. And I would really wish to revisit and stay there forever.
Not even turn 18. Just 17
No.
is fine. No sweet
I
18.
agree with you,
It's
Gitanjali
not
ma'am.
sweet.
Yes,
There are no
yes, I
responsibilities
agree.
after that.
Yes.
So where y'all are, just stay there if y'all have not turned 18.
See, 18 means adult, and I don't know. No, I don't want to be.
No, they feel excited. I'm sure you all are waiting, the ones who are not 18. I know at home and there too that when will I be 18? But let me tell you, 18 starts responsibilities,
Yes.
17 is like fun.
It's better to be in
Yeah.
teens only.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. You know, there is a very fine line between 17 and 18. 18 is
Very
17
fine.
is freedom, 18 is responsibility.
Yes. No, 18 is government's responsibility. 17
Yes.
is parents' responsibility. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, so we'll move on to the next question. If you were asked to name your co-teachers after some superheroes, what would be your choices?
Ma'am, anyone teacher we can take.
Okay, so I see Maya ma'am and Sonal ma'am. So one of you can just unmute and say, okay, we got more hands. So please, just one of you volunteer and say it, and the other two, please just write it in the chat box. Okay, Krishna ma'am, can you please go ahead? Varsha ma'am and Maya ma'am, can you please write it in the chat box?
I've written already.
Am I audible?
Yes, you are. Yeah.
I would like to name Radhika. At President Abdul Kalam. She's as nice as she has all the qualities as Dr. Abdul Kalam. That's why.
That's really great choice, ma'am. Thank you.
Ma'am, I think we can, due to time constraints, the 30 seconds policy, like instead of that, and as soon as you see the question, you can raise your hands so that we can finish it early.
Over to Mukta.
All teachers must participate and everyone must raise their hands. That's a request.
Yeah. So, seventh question is, what is the best thing your students have done for you? I see Krishna ma'am's hand first raised. So, ma'am, could you go ahead?
Is the respect and the love that you are the best thing that you have done, and today's assembly is the best.
Ma'am, don't worry, ma'am. We'll continue to do so. Even after we leave DAV.
कृष्णा मैम, आपका आवाज ना कार्टून के कैरेक्टर के जैसा कुछ आ रहा है. कुछ तो ऑडियो में प्रॉब्लम है. प्लीज चेक.
Okay, so let's move to the next question. So the eighth question is, if you were not a teacher, then what would you have become? Okay, Sonal ma'am, could you answer?
Actor.
I agree totally.
Ma'am, why so?
Just watch her skills and ask her to enact something, you'll get the answer. She's too good. And script writing also along with it. So she's a full package.
Ma'am, no need to tell that Independence Day script was absolutely fantastic.
Yeah, you
Seriously.
see her self acting.
And
It's just too good.
okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you please?
So the next question is, name a student from each class you teach who talks a lot with you. Okay, so Ritu ma'am.
Ivy from 12th B.
Same answer.
Sorry, you want me to say? Can't hear you properly.
Same answer, Ritu ma'am. Sandeep is talking so much from everyone actually.
Same answer from my
Voting
side
for
as well.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so next question is, what would you do on the first offline session of our batch? I think this all wants to know. Everyone wants to know the answer of this question. Yeah, Gitanjali ma'am.
I would like to put all the children in the room and I go out and I try to recognize them by their voices. And I want to know how many kids can I recognize correctly only through their voices, because I really have not seen so many of them and I'm sure I'll do a good job. And secondly, I want to practice how to write on the board, because I've forgotten how to catch that chalk and write on the board. I don't think I can draw anymore. So that's like really, I am scared. That's
it.
Sounds
Ma'am, that sounds like an interesting game.
Yeah, I
Truly,
actually
that's
want
so
to try
lovely, actually.
Gitanjali ma'am, think about us. Maths teacher have to write everything on the board.
The first thing is if I can recognize all of them with their voices, and those who I can't, then it's their fault because they haven't spoken much enough.
True.
Play that. I like to play that game the moment I begin the class.
That is पहचान कौन.
आवाज से पहचान कौन. Thank you.
I think the first day will be very interesting. So let's move on to the second next question. What is your favorite hobby and why? Okay, Varsha ma'am.
I love to play TT. So whenever I get, even in the lockdown, out of an old table, we have made a table tennis table and we play in the evening. Thank you.
Wow. Yeah. So next question is, Which subject did you dislike the most while growing up? Okay, Maya ma'am.
Okay, I mean, for 12B, this is going to be a shocker, but maths. It was always my nemesis. I never liked it. I could not make sense of it, and I still can't. Thank you.
I think in the chat box there is something unity. History is not liked by many teachers. Yeah, okay. So, um,
Mukta,
Yeah,
sorry to interrupt you. If you can please make the session go a little fast. C and D sections are already waiting, and we have run short of time.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, only few questions are left. We'll make it quickly.
No issues completed, but try to make it a bit fast.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
yeah, ma'am. Over to you, Jayat.
Can you name your favorite author or poet and recite any of his art piece?
Ma'am, you can write the name of the art piece in the chat box because of time constraints.
Yes, ma'am.
Jayat, in the meantime, you can go to the next questions. Teacher will think and put their answers.
Yes, ma'am. I'm trying to.
Yes, ma'am. We have started getting answers in chat box. So
yes.
Yeah. Jayatha, you can control the screen yourself.
Can you describe the classes you teach with a single song and why?
Ma'am, any one class and that you are a class teacher.
Any class and any song.
Jayat, we can move on with the next question.
What made you decide teaching as a profession? Yes, I see Gitanjali ma'am's hand. Gitanjali ma'am, could you answer?
You laugh at this, but the number of holidays. Seriously. That's all.
So honest. And the timings also, because the teaching profession when you get free at 2 o'clock.
Absolutely.
Thank you, ma'am. Over to Saidi.
Now, I'll make it a little quick. So let's move on with question 16. Now, an incident in your life, actually, the word is missing, in your life worth listening. So a short incident, a narrative which you can narrate in the class. Okay, I see Gitanjali ma'am's hand. Ma'am, can you please answer?
A question paper given to me in about 3rd or 4th grade, and I thought my mom had to come and tell the class teacher, ask her to turn the paper. There are questions on the other side too. That's it.
Oh,
I would
okay.
solve only one half what I could see.
Oh, nice, ma'am. So now let's move on. I guess the next two questions you'll enjoy a lot. So as per season 13 of KBC, तो अब दुग जी शांत हो गई है. No time limit and no teacher limit. You can answer whenever and however you want. So two important questions, and we request all teachers, like those who are present in the meeting, to answer these. So these are the much awaited. These answers are much awaited by students of this batch. So here comes 17th question. As a class teacher, whom would you appoint as council members of the class? And students need not take this personally. It's the disclaimer. So
Difficult for the teachers.
last two, ma'am. So we need, like, can we get more answers from these two questions?
Sonal ma'am, gunpoint.
Yes, that is what I'm thinking.
And we will not take this personally. Like, whom do you think should be the council member of this class? Your class.
Girls, among girls, it would be Palnika, and among boys, it would be, I should say, Alok Desai.
Yes, ma'am. Many other teacher like Smita ma'am, Gitanjali ma'am, your 11th standard class.
Thinking.
From my class, council member, yes, Himanshu Agarwal from boys, and it is from 12th E, and girls, Ria, and who's that? Ananya Bede.
I go with the same answer.
Yes.
Definitely.
Okay.
Thank you.
Vibhavari ma'am, Sonali ma'am, do you have any inputs in this? Or should we move on to the next? Ritu ma'am.
I have, yes, I right now in the class teacher of 11th E, and in my class I have Atharva Shirsagar, who is really doing well. And among the girls, I would like somebody, I don't know many girls, and in fact, because all are new, maximum are new in my class. But among the girls, there's a girl called Jignya who has a very good overall language, and she speaks very politely and nicely. So right now, I think that she's the best.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for the input. Ritu ma'am, you're unmute. You want to say?
I would like to appoint Gayatri as head girl from my class because she is initiative in each activity and she participates also. And from boys, I can take Jitesh from my class.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. So I think we can move on with the, okay, Sonali Bhave ma'am is unmute. Ma'am, would you like to answer?
Yes, Saidip. Saidip, I teach 11th A this year. So from my class, among girls, Manorama Mudgal is very enthused in all the activities. She wants to participate. And from boys, actually, I have only 10 boys in my class, and most of them are girls only. 22 girls. So from boys, Ameya Patil, he can become a council member. Yes. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am,
Thanks,
for
Saidip.
your input. Thank you so much. So now we'll move on with the final question, I guess. Yeah, so now it's a $1 million question. So just I hope you must have got the hint what would the question be. So will 12th standard batch of 2021-22 get a farewell? And we need your honest answers in this.
Excellent question. Excellent
Yes,
question.
yes, excellent question, but you will definitely get.
Ma'am, we are recording this meeting.
Other teachers, please comment on this.
Yes.
We'll definitely get
I
farewell.
already have.
And even if the school will not do that, we will arrange something for you. Don't worry.
Yes,
Thank you,
and
ma'am.
see, Saideep, I would like to say that this question, final questions basically goes to the coordinator, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. But Radhika, ma'am, you're on mute. Can you give your opinions on this?
Hello? Can you hear
Yes,
me?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Can you see me on the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Have a firm thumbs up.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
The meeting in C-section has started. Please join immediately. Okay, Saideep, are you winding it up or is there anything else?
Yes, ma'am. We'll move on with the winner. Now, who's the inspiration? Any guesses from your side among you all?
Gitanjali ma'am.
My co-teacher Gitanjali ma'am.
Oh God.
Okay, so all votes go to Gitanjali ma'am. But all the teachers are an inspiration for us. And on this quote, we wish you a very happy Teachers' Day, ma'am.
Thank you
this
so
game,
much.
As per teachers, I guess Gitanjali ma'am won the game. Thank you.
Thank you.
Wonderful.
Thank you so
Gitanjali
much,
ma'am.
ma'am. Happy teacher.
Excellent.
Wishing you a
Lot of
very happy
efforts have
Teachers'
been
Day.
taken in. Yeah, Sonal ma'am, would you like to say a few words to your students?
Yes, ma'am. There are so many energy packets and so many unexpected things in the assembly. Great
Yes.
and excellent assembly by 12B as usual. B means best. Thank you all.
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you
Thank you
so
so
much.
much, ma'am.
Thank you so
Happy
much.
Teachers' Day to all of you.
Happy Teachers' Day, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank
Happy
you.
Teachers' Day.
Thank you.
Happy Teachers' Day, ma'am.
Thank you. Can we leave?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Thank
you
you so
for
much.
your
Thank you,
time.
ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.